Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. It's been trending for a reason. People keep buying it and leaving amazing reviews. The build quality feels great. It works exactly as described. And honestly, it's better than I expected. You can find all the details in the description. Go take a look before it's gone. Hold up! You won't believe how good this one actually is. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. If you're curious, tap the link below and check it out before the deal's gone.
Hey friends, you need to see this. Trust me, it's worth it. I've seen tons of products online, but this one stands out. It's simple, well made, and the results speak for themselves. Thousands of positive ratings don't lie. Go see it for yourself. The link's right there in the description.
Hold up, you won't believe how Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. It's been trending for a reason.